Okay guys, we got 3x squared minus 2x minus 1. Without further ado, let's draw a pair of brackets. Oops, 2 lines for the first, 2 lines for the second, lines 1, 2, 3, 4. There we are, 4 lines, 4 terms. The first line is the first term, isn't it? Remember, first line, first term. So what times what gives 3x squared? We've got a blank slate, so it's going to be 3x times x, isn't it? Yeah? Okie dokie, that's that part done. Last line, last term. So we've got a minus 1. Not a lot of possibilities here. So the nice thing is with minus 1, we can write minus, what give product of two whole numbers give a product of minus 1. We'd have minus 1 times 1 and 1 times minus 1. That's about it, and not a lot else. So the next key in the puzzle then, middle line's middle term. So look at lines 2. So many 3x's. So many 3x's is line 2, and then so many x's is line 3, isn't it? Yeah. So we did flip them around because the order does matter, because it's not symmetric, is it? That's an x, that's a 3x. So it does matter which way around these are written, and I've written them. I've taken care of both possibilities here. All right. So 3 times this one plus one of those must equal minus 2x. So 3 of these and one of these gives minus 2. Can you see which one it is? 3 of those would give minus 3, and one of those would give 1. Minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2. So this looks like the one to try first, most likely to be right. So 3x times minus 1, so that goes in there, and then x times 1. So plus 1 would go in there. So let's just write that out tidily. 3x plus 1, x minus 1 then equals 0. Great. So we can factorize now. So that product equals 0. So that happens when either the 3x plus 1 equals 0, which occurs when 3x equals minus 1. Just move the 1 across, and then divide by 3 both sides. So move this from times to divide. On the other side, you get minus 1/3. Okay, there's the first answer. And then the second answer, when does this equal 0? When does this equal 0? X minus 1 equal 0. Move the 1 over then, and it flips the minus 1 to a 1, and there's the other answer. So we can check these with our calculator if we need to, or we can just check it here. Let's just check it here for starters. The first line is 3x squared, yeah. Minus 3x plus x is minus 2x, which is right. And then plus times a minus is a minus. 1 times 1 is 1, that's right. So I reckon we should be okay there. You could check it with the 1 in there. 3 1s, 1 squared is 1, 3 1s are 3. 2 times 1 is 2, minus 2, and that's a minus 1. 3 minus 2 minus 1 is 0. Yes, it is. So everything's fine, yeah? Okay, that's that one done. You could check the minus a third, put it in here and here and here in the calculator if you wanted, but put a bracket around it if you were checking that. But it's more trouble than it's worth, actually. Probably best to use a decimal. Okay, let's go on then. Number 7.